If you have more than 5 categories, then pie chart will not visualize your data sheet. For example, look at the current chart, how difficulty we are facing to read each and every data label. The first thing, we need to calculate percentage for each and every value. So I will create a very easy formula. Simply type equal, click the current value, divide by, now simply type some function, open parentheses, and now simply select all of the values, hit F4 key to log the reference, close parentheses, hit enter, and now simply drag this formula till the end of data sheet. The next thing, we need to show open close parentheses for each and every percent value. So I will select all of my percentage, click on number format, custom, and simply type open parentheses here and close parentheses, and now simply hit OK. Now our data sheet is ready. We need to select the first two columns, click on insert, recommended chart. In this case, I will select column chart, simply hit OK. For design, I will select style 4. Now click any of the column, right click, format data series, fill and lines. In this case, I will check vary color by point. Now I will click data label, label and options, outside and click on home. For the font color, I will select the dark black color. Now here you can see value from cell options as well. I will check this option, click here and simply select all of my percentage value and simply hit OK. Now for separator, instead of comma, we need to use new line, and you can update the title whatever you want. And this is the final look of dual data label column chart.